The biggest thing with company parties is just making sure that associates are feeling appreciated and that they get a chance to kind of unwind and interact outside of the normal work settings. We use promotional products a lot. Just the most recent one we did, we had a lot of promotional products for our associates, as well as we gave them away to everybody else in the crowd too. So people love the light up things. We gave these kind of cheer sticks and that sort of thing. Just something to everybody that gives a little piece of 4 imprint and lets them know kind of who we are in the community, and it's kind of fun. Promotional products are a great thing to give away at a company party, to have a little piece of that to take home. You get to remember that occasion and that company too. When we pick items for our parties in particular, we're looking at, of course, the budget, the theme, what goes along with what we're doing as a whole. But I think the most important thing is looking at who you're giving that to, who your audience is. So for our associates, what is it that they would like to take home? What would their guests like to take home? So it's really looking at what the people would want and what they would get use out of, because otherwise it's just going to fall to the wayside. So different people like different things, so it's always kind of trying to figure out what they would like there.